Hey guys, welcome to another Random Georgia Legal Things with me, Kira Abernathy, and we're continuing to talk about father's rights. So one of the things you may have heard of is legitimation, sometimes called legitimization. What is that? That is the way that a father who is not married and was never married to the biological mother of his child is able to get parental rights. You cannot get it any other way in Georgia unless you marry the mother, right? That's legitimation by marriage, even after the fact, which we've talked about. After the fact that the child's born and maybe has been born for, been alive for multiple years. You still marry mom, you get legitimated automatically by nature of the marriage. But short of that, the only way to get parental rights, which is the ability to, have custody of your child, which is the ability to have a say in how they are brought up, you have to be legitimated. And in order to do that, you must go through the court system. Now, I always tell people, if you are on good terms with the mother of your child, go ahead and do a consent legitimation. I mean, it really preserves that for you just in case something happens. I mean, even if, let's say you and mom never have a bad relationship, you guys continue to have a great relationship, but what if mom dies? What if something happens to mom? Well, if you're not legitimated, you do not get the rights to that child. The rights go to maybe another relative. The rights go to maybe the state. Maybe the kid goes to foster care, right? So that's really where I'm like, if dads out there who are on good terms with their child's mother, please get legitimated. Dads out there who aren't on good terms with your child's mother, please get legitimated if you want to be in their lives, because you can lose out on that. If you wait years, I have read cases and seen even in the court system where the judges will deny it. They will say you missed your opportunity interest to be a part of the child's life. Yeah, you were there for the birth, maybe till they're 1 or 2, but now they're 11. And I'm sorry, but that's too little too late. And you can say, well, mom, kept him from me. And the judge is like, well, you should have brought this action beforehand, denied. And we don't want that, right? If you want to be in your kid's life, my 2 cents is, if you're not married to the child's mother and you're on good terms, please, contact a family law attorney, locally. They can do a consent legitimation. It's not that difficult. It's consent. So it's usually, it's expensive because you're going through the court system, but it's nowhere near as expensive as a contested legitimation. Or if you are not on good terms with your child's mother, but it's, you can still see the child maybe, or it's only been, a couple months, maybe a year or so since you have, reach out to an attorney and get legitimated. Otherwise, you don't have any rights other than the right to pay child support. So anyway, that's what legitimation is in Georgia. I mean, I'm a big fan of it. I think, dad's rights are great. And yeah, that's what we got. So I hope you'll have a good one, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.